How's it going? It's Coach Jay here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the W formation. So this is going to be the bent over W. And what we're trying to do today is we're trying to focus on retracting the shoulder blades in together. Okay, so focus on shoulder blade retraction. I want them to completely come together. It's almost as if though you're trying to drag your shoulder blades to kiss one another. Okay, now this is the position. First, what we're going to do is we're going to have a soft bend in the knee. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to hinge at the hips, keeping our chest up, our chin tucked, and we're going to come until we feel that soft little stretch in the hamstring. Everyone's different. Some people will be able to get almost parallel to the ground. The key is to have an arch in your spine and to have zero rounding in your spine whatsoever. Now, we can also stable that by tightening our abs, as if though someone's going to punch you in your abdominal. You should be able to withstand that blow, okay? Now, all that's going to happen here is we're then going to come up in a W formation. So the arms are going to be bent when you come to the top and like this, okay? The elbows are going to be slightly under the shoulders so you can actually form that W, all right? So this is what it looks like. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Now notice I retract my scapula and my shoulder blades first. Shoulder blades and scapula. Scapula just lets you slide back and forth like this, okay? Retract the scapula, shoulder blades are now together, and then we come up, boom, for that W formation. The lower you get, the more W you got. Okay, you can kind of see the shift of the muscles. And then release. Track the scapula, up. Retract the scapula, up. Okay? You're just creating a W as you're retracting your scapula. Okay? Scapula is this movement where we're simply pulling the shoulders back. And then when the shoulders are pulled back, we simply create that W. So retract the scapula, create the W. Simple as that.